want to show you guys how to use the eggs to advance things during a tournament. So obviously the tournament is over right now. I've got a lion here, but I'm going to go into my collection here, bottom center, and you see that I've got different animals here. Obviously it's locked because we're not doing a tournament, but normally I would just pick this giraffe. But let's say I want some bees right now, so I'm going to click on this guy and I'm going to earn some bees, but I don't want to. I'm going to swap what I'm doing, and if I click on that there, it's going to take 8 hours for him to finish what he's doing to get 32 bees and 708 hearts there. But let's say I just want to cash that in right now, so I'm going to click that silver egg right here, and you see I've already earned everything, so my price is cheaper, and I've got this interesting looking egg. But for 550 hearts, I'm going to hit that, cash that in right now, and then I'm going to add those guys to the top. But now none of those leveled up, so I'm going to have to do it again. So let's do it again. And that's not gonna, there it is, leveled up. Boom. So leveling up, and then you hit swap, and then watch the center of the screen. All of a sudden, it cashed me out. I got 32 bees, I got whatever that was in the hearts, and we're rocking and rolling. So then I can go back, and I don't want to use the bird because he's not using much of anything, but obviously I can click on him again and swap, and then start again. And now, instead of waiting 8 hours, I just got 32 bees and 708 hearts just by advancing and leveling up. Hope that helps.